I am going to embroider this design using 3 different stitches. For the petals, I am going to use herringbone stitch. I'll pick it up from here. Just go down. Do not leave too much of gap. Just pick it up from this side. And a little bit from here, this side. And then take very small stitches from this side. That's all. It will be like a crisscross stitch. This stitch is known as the herringbone stitch. Take very small stitches. For doing the flower, I have used 2 different colors, but the same stitch. I have used a lighter color for the next petal, but the same stitch. Take very small stitches. The same herringbone stitch I am going to do. For the stem, I have taken green thread and I am going to fill this in using satin stitch. A very simple stitch. Don't leave too much of gap between between 2 stitches. After completing the petals with herringbone, I have taken black thread and I will do the border using stem stitch. Stem stitch is very simple. All of you know how to do it. Take small stitches. Very small stitches should be taken. That's all. A very simple stitch. For the small divisions of this butterfly, I have taken different color thread, but I am going to do the same stitch, the herringbone stitch. The same stitch I am going to do, and I will fill it in. The same stitch. The herringbone stitch. Take very small stitches. Many small divisions are there. So very slowly you must do the work. Many small divisions are there. After completing all these with herringbone stitch and using different colors, now all these outlines I am going to do with stem stitch using black thread. Stem stitch, a simple stitch, take small stitches, just pick up a little bit, that's all. The thread should be on your left hand side. Just pick up a little bit. That is all. And take small stitches. I am going to do all these borders also and all these divisions also using stem stitch. A very simple stitch. For this part of the butterfly, I am going to use satin stitch for filling in and black thread, 3 strands of black thread. There shouldn't be too much of gap between 2 stitches. Simple stitch. That's all. This way I am going to fill up this part. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video, then kindly like, share and subscribe.